we're back. So I got it in primer again. So that's good. Wait a minute, we got doors on the car. Why do we have a door right here? Well, I'll tell you why. I went to the paint place where I'm gonna buy the paint, and I've chosen the Corvette Flame Red. So rather than spend $1,300 and hope it looks good, I had them make me up a spray can, and I'm gonna paint this spare door, and then I'll probably be giving it away on the channel. And the decals I just got, they're giving me some spares, so it'll be an 01 door. Won't that be awesome? I blocked the mailman, sorry mailman. And something else that's gonna be interesting is I got the cops coming over. They're gonna check the VIN, because I went down and got the title in my name that I've had sitting for 7 years. So that'll be good. But the problem is, there's no VIN number since it's over there. There is one on the radiator quarter support and the one in the trunk. But the one in the trunk was cut off. I had to cut off. And it's back right there. Here's the old piece. So I haven't welded that back on. But too bad, huh? Anyway, that'll be interesting to have the cops do that. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's great.
So, anyway, I'll record spraying this stuff on as soon as I get that spare door sanded. And then we're gonna sand again on this, and then we'll be ready for paint. I know I keep sanding this Charger, but I really just want it that perfect. You see me? Hope I didn't piss the mailman off. I parked right in front of the mailbox. Anyway, let's get to sanding. Keep watching. Hi there. So I'm wet sanding this spare door. This is 400 grit. I already did the 320. And it was down to, I believe, 124. So not going to be perfect, but it should be pretty good. The reason I'm doing this is I bought some Corvette Flame Red paint in an aerosol can, had it mixed up, and I'm going to spray this door to see how it looks before I spend the big, $1,300 on the paint for, the general. But here's the good news for you. If we get, let's say, up to 3,000 subscribers, I'll give you this door. I'll mail it to you. I'll pay for it. It's worth about $1,500. You can buy these on eBay right now. It's a perfectly functional door too. If you need a door, it's a great door. It's green. It was green, but it's a perfect door. And heck, I'm gonna give it away if we get to 3,000 subscribers. Share this with your friends and subscribe. Thanks. Bye. I'm just here sanding this door down to 400 grit. It's a spare door, but I got the orange flame red in an aerosol can, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray this door as soon as I get it sanded. I'm really close to being done. Wet sanding is messy, messier than the dust. It's all kind of building up almost like clay. Now I didn't use the same kind of primer as I did on the General, but it's good quality primer. It's been sitting in storage for years. I almost used it, but then I decided to go with some brand new AMD doors. So I'm gonna clean this off, and then we'll spray the orange or flame red paint on this door. Let's see how it works. Thanks for watching. All right, let's do another one. that was totally worth it, because now I can see that I love the color. Look at that. Other than the stupid gnats that landed in it, little jerks. But we can, if I were going to, I could color sand those out of there, no problem. Look how beautiful it is though. It's just, man, it's awesome. So I'm glad I had that experience now, because now I know that's the color that's gonna go on this. We'll let it dry. Once the O1s get here, put an O1 on it, and it'll be waiting for somebody to win. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Goodbye.